Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy's prod function. Today you'll learn how to calculate the product of array elements using numpy.prod. This is an essential aggregation function that multiplies all elements together to give you a single result. So what exactly is numpy.prod? It's a function that takes all the elements in your array and multiplies them together. Instead of adding elements like sum does, prod multiplies them. For example, if you have 2, 3, and 4, numpy.prod will calculate 2 times 3 times 4 and return 24. Let's look at the syntax. First, you import numpy as np. Then you call numpy.prod and pass your array as an argument. That's the simplest form. The function takes your array and returns the product of all its elements. Here's a practical example. We create an array containing 2, 3, and 4. Then we call numpy.prod on this array and store the result. When we print the result, we get 24 because 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4 equals 24. Numpy.prod also works with two-dimensional arrays. Here we have a 2 by 2 array with values 1, 2, 3, and 4. When we call numpy.prod on the entire array, it flattens everything and multiplies all elements together. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 equals 24. You can calculate products along specific axes using the axis parameter. When axis equals 0, we multiply down the columns. The first column is 1 times 3 equals 3, and the second column is 2 times 4 equals 8, giving us 3 and 8. When axis equals 1, we multiply across the rows. The first row is 1 times 2 equals 2, and the second row is 3 times 4 equals 12, giving us 2 and 12. You can specify the output data type using the dtype parameter. Here we calculate the product of 1, 2, 3, and 4, but we specify dtype equals numpy.float64. This ensures the result is returned as a floating point number, 24.0, instead of an integer. Let's recap the key points. Numpy.prod multiplies all array elements together. It works with arrays of any dimension, whether 1D, 2D, or higher. And you can use the axis parameter to calculate products along specific dimensions. This function is incredibly useful for mathematical operations and data analysis tasks.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.